Yo, what's up everybody? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can solve you can't follow account right now on Instagram. So if you're facing this problem and you're not able to follow anybody on Instagram, then you guys are at the right video, because I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can fix this problem. But before that, if you guys are new to our channel, want to step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on, so you guys can get notified for our future video. Let's move on with today's video now, shall we? First step, you want to make sure that your internet connection is fast, because sometimes due to slow internet connection you click on follow and it instantly says follow again, like your follow is going to be reverted. So it's due to slow internet, so make sure you have a fast internet. And even after connecting to a fast internet, if you're still facing the problem, the other thing could be that you have followed a lot of people. So Instagram only allows you to follow like limited people on Instagram to avoid bots and spam and other stuff. So let's say you're following like 50 people in a single day. Now what Instagram is going to think is, alright, this guy is spamming follow everybody, so Instagram is going to block your follow activity. Alright, so if it is that you followed a lot of people and Instagram blocked it, then the only thing you can do is wait for 24 hours. After 24 hours your follow will be activated again and you can start following people again. Alright, but make sure you don't follow a lot of people in the same day. Instagram is going to think it's a bot. Alright, so don't do that. So let's say you didn't follow a lot of people and you still got this problem. It could be a bug, so make sure to delete your Instagram and reinstall it again. Once you delete and reinstall your Instagram, what is going to happen is, one, your Instagram is going to revert to like its original form. Every setting and every bug will be reverted, it will be taken down. And the other thing, when downloading Instagram, you're going to be downloading the latest version of Instagram. So you also update your Instagram, you also fixed your problem. So do that and it should be fixed. And if it's still not fixed, what you can do is come to your profile in Instagram, click on the three line, go on setting, go on where it says help, click on where it says report a problem, click on report problem without shaking, and over here you want to write this: I can't follow anybody on Instagram. I click on the follow button but it doesn't work. Can you help me fix it? After you write this, click on next at the top of the screen. After you write next, basically the problem will be sent to Instagram. Instagram staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem. Alright, so yeah, that's basically how you guys can solve you can't follow account right now on Instagram. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel, Want to Step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.